Jason T. Cabrera, our public schools district supervisor, and likewise the representative of our schools division superintendent, Dr. Delphine I. De Leon, our school principal, Sir Alan M. Binoyo, teaching and non-teaching staff, guests, our ever-loving parents, fellow graduates, good afternoon. Today, I stand before you not just to share my own story, but to reflect on the journey we have all taken. One filled with challenges, growth, and unforgettable moments. As Friedrich Nietzsche says, he who has a way to live can bear almost anyhow. Since I was a child, I have come to understand how difficult life can be uncertain and ever-changing. We often ask, paano? How? How can we overcome? How can we endure? And how can we succeed? Today, I stand here believing that everything happens for a reason and with a purpose. Our journey has led us to this moment, our graduation rites. When your dreams are clear, no matter how hard the road is, we will find ways to overcome. After all, we are the leaders of tomorrow, and each of us will shine in our own time. Our first teachers were at home. Your love taught us to stand, and your sacrifice taught us to keep going. To our proud parents, let us give them a round of applause. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta, pagmamahal at pagsasakripisyo. To my mother, my guiding light. Ma, ito na po ang bunga ng ating pagsisikap. Maraming salamat po sa pagtayo at pagtaguyod bilang ama't ina sa amin. Sa bawat gabing puyat at pagod, para lamang makagawa ng panindang suman ay kinakaya mo. Matustusan lamang ang ating pangangailangan at ang aming pag-aaral. Kung minsan nga ay gumigising ako bandang 2:00 ng madaling araw para lamang mag-aral, at nakikita kita na abalang-abala sa paggawa ng paninda, habang naiisip ko kung gaano kahirap ang pagiging ilaw at haligi ng tahanan. Ma, I'm sorry for all the mistakes I've done, and I always try to make you proud. Maaga man na nawala si Papa since I was in grade 1. Naalala ko pa noon na kahit wala na si Papa, pilit kong gustong magpakarga. Walang oras na hindi ka umiiyak. Umabot tayo sa point na halos hindi na makayanan. Dahil ang hirap-hirap mag-adjust. Sinasabihan tayong sinungaling dahil hindi agad makabayad ng utang. Dahil lamang sa ating pangangailangan. Hindi biro ang ating mga pinagdaanan. But you fill that gap with hard work, patience, and love. This message is not enough to say thank you. Everything I am today is because of you. Thank you so much, Ma. Mahal na mahal kita. To my stepfather, who has always been there for me, thank you very, very much. all my friends, my family, thank you for the countless memories, late night talks, and for always being my cheerleader, my comfort zone, and my partners in everything, especially in school. Thank you for listening to all the struggles I went through this year. Thank you for your unconditional support, for always being by my side during difficult times, and for celebrating this victory. Sa mga pangmalakasang tawanan, asaran, kwentuhan at advice, sa circle of friends natin sa loob at labas ng classroom. Ivy, Gail, Jane Rose, Isra, Bianca, Princess, Kent, Serge, hindi ko na maisa-isa dahil napakarami nyo. Kaya minsan nahihirapan akong i-balance ang time ko sa inyo. Isa kayo sa dahilan ng tagumpay na ito. Isa sa dahilan ng saya ko. At dahilan rin kung bakit mas lalong lumalawak ang landingan ng eroplano sa noo ko. Kaya tinatago ko na. Thank you, Ivy, dahil always ready ka magpahiram ng printer and laptop kahit papatay-patay. Este, nagbubukas sara for the go pa rin. Yes, gagraduate na rin tayo sa paglalakad papuntang paaralan. Gagraduate na sa pagsuong sa rumaragasang tubig sa ilog. Papunta at pabalik sa bahay. I'm gonna miss those moments. To our teachers, mga mom and sir, thank you for all your patience, love, and guidance. I will always look back all the sacrifices you bring. Your belief in us and the lessons will carry forever. To Ma'am Gina, my advisor, thank you for everything. Your unwavering support shaped who I am today. To my fellow graduates, we faced many challenges, difficult exams that made us question everything we studied, sleepless nights that we survived, projects that seemed impossible at first, and deadlines that came faster than we expected. We became experts in last-minute work, turning "I'll do it later" into "I'll do it tonight." Pwede na yan, sa akin na yan. Cramming today, panic tonight, submit tomorrow. Every late night, every quiet victory, every effort no one noticed, it all leads you here. This moment is yours. We didn't just make it. We